Are you thinking about installing a quick shifter on your motorcycle? Watch this first. You might just change your mind. Quick shifters, also known as auto blippers, are some of the latest and greatest in new motorcycle technology. They allow the user to shift gears without using the clutch, up and down, most of the time. Do you really need it? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can shift your motorcycle without the clutch, up and down, without a quick shifter. Any bike. Anybody can do it. It's very simple, and it does no damage to the motor. Or the clutch, for that matter. You can't cheat first. Obviously, you need the clutch for first. But once you get rolling, you can take your hand off the bars. Second. Third. Back down to second. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Now we're going to go back down from fourth to first, and I'm going to explain to you how it's done. You apply pressure on the shifter and open the throttle quickly and close it right back. To shift up, it's the exact opposite. Apply pressure under the shifter in an upward motion and you close the throttle quickly, then open it back up again. As soon as you close the throttle going up or open the throttle going down, it will automatically, no matter what RPM you're at, shift into the next gear. That's why you want to get right back on it, so you don't waste any speed. The whole point. Hold on. Dude, I am so sorry about that. I know you're cool about it, but I still had to come back and tell you I'm sorry, bro.
Happy holidays, man.
Yo, you too, brother. I appreciate you. Oh man, my ball end mirror caught his. Luckily, he was cool about it. So you got to be real careful going in between the lanes, especially when you have mirrors on your bike. My R1, the mirrors protrude a lot more. So on this bike, I don't feel the sense of urgency when I'm going through like I do on the R1, but clearly I should. Let that be a lesson to you people out there. I have 30 years of experience. I daily ride. If there's anybody out here that knows what he's doing, it's me. And you see what I just did. So understand that anything can happen, and something small like that costs you a couple of bucks, but it's not always going to be something small. You might really get hurt out here. In 2017, I broke my back in a crash. It was not my fault at all legally. My back was still broken. I still missed 3 weeks of work. So be very, very careful out there. So now, back to the show. We're in third, fourth. You see, I never touched the handlebar. If I didn't touch the handlebar, I obviously didn't touch the clutch. Fourth, third, second. One more time to go up. You apply pressure under the shifter, close and open. On the way down, you want to get comfortable holding the brake and opening the throttle with your hand on the brake. That takes a little bit of practice, but once you get comfortable with it, it's easy. I hope that helps you make your decision. If you want a quick shifter anyway, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll make a recommendation video. Till next time, people.
Ay, Douglas Antonio.